Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a printer spooler to fix stuck prints in Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect a printer spooler and fix stuck prints in Windows 11, follow this complete guide. Begin by clicking on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select Settings from the Start menu. In the Settings window, choose Devices from the list. Next, click on Printers and Scanners on the left sidebar. Find the printer experiencing issues in the list of installed printers. Click on the printer's name to open its settings. Look for the Open Queue option and click on it. A new window will display the print jobs currently queued for that printer. If you see any jobs marked as error or stuck, right-click on each job. Select Cancel to remove them from the queue. Now, return to the main settings window. Click on System in the sidebar. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Then, click on Other Troubleshooters. Follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix any printer-related issues. Once the troubleshooter completes, go back to the Printers and Scanners settings. Scroll down and find your printer once more. Click on the printer, then select Manage. Choose Set as Default to ensure it's the primary printer. Next, you will restart the print spooler service. To do this, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services application from the search results. Scroll down to find Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart. Wait a few moments for the service to restart. After the restart, check if your printer is functioning normally. If issues persist, you may need to reinstall the printer drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your printer model. Install the drivers by following the instructions provided. Once installation is complete, try printing again to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to connect the printer spooler and fix stuck prints in Windows 11. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.